Okay, I'm going to try picking for blue belt the Paclock 90A Pro. This will be take 2 yesterday's gutting. The picking went well, but the gutting was just a bit slow. So I'm going to try doing it again. Hopefully it'll go a little smoother. But oh yeah, so I need to show it works. There's the key. It's locked. I'll try a oops, just lost some pins. Pin 6 and 7 on this locker. They're like really sticky for some reason. I don't know. Trying to reduce my tension a bit. Sometimes I go a little hard. Just got a good deep false set. Generally when I have that happen in this lock, it actually gives me problems, and I think it's might have to do with this pin right here. I'm gonna go to 7. Yeah, that false set has me nervous because I think I typically haven't figured out how to get out of that when that happens, but let's see what I can do here. I feel like it's this pin. There we go. Ha, got it. It was that pin. Okay, so the pick is out of the way. What was that? That was a little about 3 minutes. Not bad. Better than yesterday, so I'll take it. Yeah, so keep this paper towel nearby. Let's open her up. And that screw I forgot yesterday too. Just get that out. There we go. So that's empty. Good to go. So far so good. Yesterday this gave me some problems. Just getting this thing off was just nuts. Hopefully today goes better. I don't know why. Yesterday was all the lubrication I had on there because I had just put some Houdini on the lock the night before because it was really sticky. And there we go, I think. I don't know if I'm the only one with this problem. But yeah, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. So let me think about this so I don't screw it up. I think I want to do it this way so I don't dump pins. No, I saw online there was like they shimmed it, and so that may be something particular to this lock, but I think there's a way around it to where I don't. Okay, so this is 7. That's security pin for 7. I'll just do it this way. I think this should work. I'll hold those in. Here's 6. Security pin 6. There's 5. Okay, I think I can grab these. Spool action. Oops, don't dump. Okay. So that was 2. And here's me bumbling again, but I'll get these in a minute. You can see the let's just set that there for safekeeping. Get out security pin 1, and then I'm just gonna kind of dump these out. Okay. That. And then we've got key pin 1. Key pin 2. Key pin 3. Key pin 4. Key pin 5. Key pin 6. Key pin 7. So that's just a sec. Let me get this. That's the lock. Picked, gutted, way smoother than yesterday. There's the downward dog on it. And hopefully I covered everything this time. Thank you.